And I love how my teammates, woo, are laughing at me. So I appreciate that.
It's Canadian style right there. We have the small balls back home, no balls. That's what you see.
How do you feel about that? Feel pretty bad? It's not your fault. Oh, on our team? Oh, Thomas Marcinko is just absolutely god-awful. I'm sorry, I actually didn't see him standing there. If it wasn't him, I would say Jeremy Colleton, who's pretty below average, and then there's obviously Tony Romo, Anthony, as some might call him. Because he's absolutely god-awful. I mean, it's not his fault. I mean, he just wasn't blessed with the bowling ability.
Worst bowler, Romano. Terrible form, terrible follow-through. Actually, no, I think the best bowler is Poulin, maybe. From what I've heard, is Poulin's got great form. He spends a lot of time in the bowling alleys. And truly, Romano is the worst bowler on our team.
Romo, I don't even know if he's strong enough to pick up a ball, so I'm going to say him.
That's what he said? Well, Mark Caddick has a body shaped like a bowling ball, so he shouldn't be talking right now.
Romo said I have a body like a bowling ball. I just picked one up, and I mean, they're pretty hard, so I think that was a compliment. Hardest thing known to man is a bowling ball.
Called that. I am not the worst bowler. You should see what Tomer looks like when he throws the ball down. He looks like Twinkle Toes. He's light on his feet. And he can't even throw the ball straight. He's the worst. That's all I have to say.